In today's video, I'm going to teach you creating and uploading to a document library in Microsoft SharePoint Online, Office 365. If you're signed in to your Microsoft 365 account, start by opening SharePoint from the app launcher or your bookmarks. This brings you to the SharePoint Start page, where you'll see your frequent and followed sites. Choose the site where you want to store documents. Pick a location where your team already collaborates, and make sure you have permission to create content there. Once you're on the site, look near the top for the New button. Select it to open the Creation menu, then choose Document Library. You'll see options for different templates. For a clean slate, select Blank Library. A panel will appear asking for a name and a description. Enter a clear, concise name that reflects the purpose of the content, like Project Plans or Support Library. In the description, add a short note to help colleagues understand what belongs here. Using consistent naming conventions will make search and navigation easier for everyone. When you're ready, choose Create. SharePoint sets up the library in just a moment. If you aren't taken there automatically, open it from the site's navigation or site contents. You're now inside the new document library. To add content, click Create or Upload. From the menu, select whether you're uploading individual files or an entire folder. Files are perfect for a few documents. Folder lets you bring in an organized structure from your computer. Your device's file picker will open. Browse to the items you want, select them, and click Open. You'll see progress indicators while SharePoint uploads, and each file will appear in the list when it's complete. A few quick tips as you upload. Keep file names meaningful and avoid special characters. If a file with the same name already exists, SharePoint may ask whether to replace or keep both. And for large batches, a stable network connection helps the upload finish smoothly. After your files land in the library, you can sort and filter columns, and if needed later, add metadata columns or views to make content easier to find. That's it. You've created a SharePoint document library, opened it, and uploaded files or folders so your team can access them from anywhere. Pause the video if you want to follow along step by step and replay any section to review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.